Hello everybody, I am Carmen from Easy Language. Welcome to the 6th video of my introduction to Mandarin series. Today, I'll be teaching you the days of the week in Chinese. The days of the week in Chinese is actually very easy. All you need to know is how to count from 1 to 6, which I taught in the last video, and the word for week, which I'll teach you today. If you haven't watched my video on numbers yet, I have linked it in the description below, so do check that out first if you haven't already. Now, you may ask, there are 7 days in the week, so why do I only need to know how to count to 6? Well, and we'll find out today. So let's go. Here's the formula for saying the days of the week. You start with saying the word for week, and there are 3 main ways of saying week, which are 星期, 星期, 周, 周, and finally 礼拜, 礼拜. And then you say the number that corresponds with the day's position in the week. For example, Wednesday, which is the 3rd day of the week, you'll say the word for week. You can choose from the 3 that I've just mentioned, which are 星期, 周, or 礼拜. So in this lesson, I'll just use the word 星期. And then you say 3, which if you remember, is the word for 3. So, 星期三 is the way you will say Wednesday in Chinese. So let's run through all the days of the week. So you've got the first day of the week, Monday, 星期一. Again, you can also say 周一 or 礼拜一, but again, I'm just going to use the word 星期 for the word week. And then you got 星期二, which is Tuesday, which is the 2nd day of the week. And then we've got Wednesday, which we just went through, which is the 3rd day of the week, and it is 星期三. Thursday, 4th day of the week, 星期四. Friday, 5th day of the week, 星期五. Saturday, 6th day of the week, 星期六. Now Sunday is an exception to this rule. The way we say Sunday is 星期日 or 星期天, which I'll show you in a bit. But basically, it's unique because we don't say 星期七, so it doesn't follow the system that we've been following from Monday to Saturday. So let me explain. So there are 2 ways of saying Sunday. One is 星期日. The other is 星期天. So both 日 and 天 can mean the word day, as in one day. The reason for this is because a week, or a 周期 in Chinese, is considered a cycle, which repeats and goes on and on and on. In this cycle, Sunday simultaneously marks the end and the start of the week. So Sunday is named 星期七 with the number 7 instead. It will imply that Sunday only marks the end of the week, and there is no way of implying that Sunday also marks the start of the week. In a way, it feels like it would cut off the cycle. Hence, it is given a special name instead of using the same system as before. So that is why I told you at the start. You only need to know how to count up to 6 to be able to name the days of the week, and then Sunday is just an extra word to learn. So 星期日 or 星期天. Also, if you actually said 星期七 for Sunday, it is quite awkward because you've got the 2 qi sounds here. Although they are different words, but they are pronounced in the exact same way. Okay. Now here's a little practice. Like last time, I will display the name of a day in English here on the left. Then I will give you about 5 seconds, this time to work out how to say it. Remember, there are 3 ways of saying the word week, and you can use either when naming the days. Ready? So let's begin with the word Tuesday. Off you go. Got it? So remember, the way we say it is by saying the word for week, which is 星期. Again, you can use 周 or 礼拜 if you want. And then 二. So 星期二. Lovely. Next up, Thursday. Again, 5 seconds. Alright, so again, the word for week, 星期, and then Thursday being the 4th day of the week is 四. So 星期四. Next up, Monday. All right, so Monday, first day of the week, 星期一. Finally, Sunday. Got it? So remember, 星期, and then for Sunday, you can actually say either 日 or 天. They both mean the same thing and are interchangeable. So 星期日 or 星期天. Again, you can say 礼拜 or 周. So you can say 礼拜二, 礼拜四, 礼拜一, 礼拜日 or 礼拜天, or 周二, 周四, 周一, 周日 or 周天. Okay? So thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video where I introduce to you the months of the year. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next week. Bye!